That's what we say when we say fish beds. See all these circles? That's where the fish live. You know what I'm saying? These fish beds. Look at all these fish though. This is a fish bed. If they ain't running around on it like that, you ain't in the right spot. About 100 fish right here. They ain't all keepers, but you see what I'm talking about. This is a fish bed. Yeah. I know they get bigger than that in here too. Alright, everybody at home, as y'all can see, we sitting on a fish bed. If we move in, hopefully y'all can see it. I'm talking about it's just a bed of fish. I'm talking about they guard their beds too. Alright, everybody, we back at this spot here. You know what I mean? Like I told y'all last time, it's a lake right here. A lake right here. And then I said last time it was over that hill. There's another lake. I'm gonna show y'all today. And I know for a fact it's shell crackers in here. Oh, we got a whole nother lake of fish. 1, 2, 3. And then, you know me, gotta keep them fish fresh. We got a little shade spot, so once we catch some, they'll be back.
Get it?
Hit. Look at that pole bending down. Yeah, hit. Let's see if he's still on now. Oh yeah, he is. I told you I ain't playing. Stop playing. Stop playing. Down. I knew I had to turn it up a little bit. It was a little bad, but hey, it's better than what we had going on. We only been here a few minutes. First baby bass. Gonna be letting them go. There he is, y'all. Baby bass. Get release on him. Oh no, y'all see this, right? This back to back. Got another one on now. Watch this. Let's see if he ate. We missed him, but I'm telling you, they coming out back to back right now. Maybe this video gonna get a little better then. We got a fresh bait up. Let's get us one out though. And this time I'm just keep it in real time to see if something hit it. That's all I'm doing. Throwing next to them cattails. Cause that's where them shell crackers and them bluegills like to be at. Let's see if something hit it. Tighten up that line so we can see what's going on. And we just wait now. like always, it don't happen when that camera on, but as soon as I cut it off, I'll be cutting it right back on. Oh, there we go, y'all. There we go. Fish on. Fish on. We didn't even have to cut it off that time. I don't think this one gonna keep though. Nah, we ain't gonna keep him. But as y'all see, we ain't have to cut the camera off. That was a little real time right though. So they coming that fast. But I be trying to save the battery and some footage. There we go, our first gear. He self-released and got a little dirty, but as y'all can see, we done caught a bass in the blue gear. This one feel like it might keep, y'all. I don't know. A little nice one. Nah, about the same size. Or a little bit bigger. We might keep him. Well, I think we're gonna keep him. We're gonna keep this one. I'm alive for it. And we let him go. We add some more to him, enough on them, they all gonna go. We'll keep them alive. Once I threw it in there, y'all, I hooked into one. We got out. I'm talking about as soon as I threw it in there. Dang. Get back in there. I ain't like that one. I ain't like that one at all. Got him. Oh yeah, that's how I had to do him, man. Another bass, y'all. He got away. He got away. I hope y'all was able to see that. Get what they want. Next to them bushes. Pop 'em. I don't like that spot too much either, but work with it. Better throw closer to that grass. Take that. Sit that down for a little bit. Maybe we can get something to commit. Yo. I don't know who that was, but yeah, we out y'all. All right, everybody, we got us one on now. I don't know if this one gonna keep either. We got another one. We got two. You know what I'm saying? Two gonna add into a few. We might make some up. I just missed him again, y'all. There you go, hold on. There you go, come back, come back, come back, come back. Got him. We got him this time. Oh, this one feel a little decent here. Oh yeah. What we got going on? This one feel a little decent. They all coming out around the same side. But that three we can say we're gonna add to what's going on. It used to come out bigger than this. But I ain't complaining. Got us 3 of them in there now. I had something on the real end, y'all. shell cracker. First Shelly Belly. Oh shit. Damn fish, let us show you off at home now. You got yourself all dirty. Yeah, little baby. Gonna show them all. There it is, yeah. There you go, y'all. Shell cracker. All I think we got us a first keeper. This one feel like he got a little shoulder. He trying to run me in the grass. Damn, he done took me in the grass. Yes, I think this is what we came here for, y'all. We finally got us one. Oh, what the hell done happened? There you go. Yeah, nice shell cracker. I knew they was in here. Damn, he got me in the grass again. Come up out of there. I see him. I see him, y'all. Come up, there you go. He ain't no nice one. He just put me up under that grass, man. I thought we had something going on, man. But look, as y'all see that different hook size, we got a bigger fish. We done got them way bigger than this, y'all, but y'all can see. We got us a 5 cat so far. I had 5 of them. We're gonna be eating something tonight. As soon as I threw it in there, we got another one. He came and got that one. Let's see what this one is. He pulling too. They trying to run me right to that grass every time. Look like another bass. Now this is a catfish. Caught our first catfish. This catfish look rough. We definitely gonna be letting him go. Caught our first catfish out here though. Yeah, y'all. We let him go. Caught him right in the side of the mouth. It. All right, let's get him unhooked. Damn. Damn cat. There we go. All right, y'all. Getting the catfish release. I don't want him. I'll let him go. Because I thought I missed him. He came back. He came back. He came and got it again, y'all. I'm talking about as soon as I cut the camera off thinking I missed him, he came and got it again. Got 6 of them in there, y'all. Got 6 of them things. We got us another one on now. Tried to run it. Another shell cracker, y'all. Another nice one. Getting a little nicer. They still kind of on the smaller side, but like I say right now, it's about the numbers. This one got a nice little coloration on it. Nice. I'm gonna add them on in there. All right, y'all. That's 7 fish. 7 fish. Y'all. I'm talking to Fish Junkie right now. He ain't here with me, but he tapping in. Got another one. Got another one, y'all. Another, about the same size bluegill as the other one. At the 8 of them though, y'all. I don't know if y'all seen all that, but the 8 of them. Got 8 of them. Shit, you said how long be out here? There's another one on here. This one here down there took the pole with him. Let's see. Shit. I ain't even think about that, but you know how that fishing is out there. All right, y'all. We got us another bluegill. This is what make fish number 8 or 9, one of them. We'll count them up at the end, though. And he caught himself weird. Right in the nose. He must have been smelling that motherfucker. Right in the nostril. Damn. Yeah, this is about the bigger one of the day. Bigger bluegill of the day. We gonna go in there too. Yes, another one on here, y'all. Another bluegill. This time he ate that hook. He wanted that one. Gotta get this one back though.
Yes, sir.
Damn, he took my hook, y'all. He wanted that one. We're gonna let him have it. Y'all. Another catfish. Another catfish, y'all. Okay. Getting a release on this guy too, y'all.